Hey everyone, welcome to Bootcraft Central. Have you ever wanted to create your own Telegram bot? Oh, but you have no prior coding experience? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to create your own Telegram bot that respond your messages in just 5 to 7 minutes. So let's get started. For this, you need three things. First, boot token. Second, API has. Third,
API.
have you thought from where?
I will get this. So I will show you from where you will get.
For Telegram, API has an API ID. So you have to go to the Google and search delete Telegram. Delete Telegram. Okay. So the click on the first page. Enter your phone number with country code 91. Okay. Confirmation code sent to your Telegram. So let's copy and paste here and sign in. Okay. So go to API development tools. Then for your first time, you have to create a new application. So I just randomly putting the name testing bot, testing short name, testing. Okay. Testing. Okay. Testing bot. Okay. So just click on create application. Okay, you got your API ID. This is your API ID, and this is your API hash. Okay, copy them. We will need in the next step. Okay, so let's copy. Just copy and paste. And for bot token, we have to go to the Telegram. Search BotFather. BotFather. Okay, so click on the first. This is the official bot by Telegram to create and manage your Telegram bots. Okay, so let's give a start. Okay, and you have to click on the menu button, create a new bot. Okay, create a new bot. All right, a new bot. How we are going to call it? Please choose a name for it. So let's put the bot name. I put the bot name testing bot. Okay, testing bot. Okay. Let's choose your username. So username, I will try Mera Tera 14. That's it. Oh, I just forget to enter the boat. Mera Tera 14. You just put the direct port. Yeah, that's created. So let's copy the token. We will need it in the next step. Okay. So for the coding, we have to open the github.com. Maybe my internet is quite slow. Sorry for that. So you have to create a new repo for coding. So click on new button. Give your repo name. I will give the boat testing boat. Okay. Keep it private or public. It's on your purpose. Just click on add a readme file. That will help you and save your time. Okay, so let's click on that button, new code space. select your repo. So my repo is testing board. Okay, create code space. It will take a few seconds or few minutes depending on upon your internet speed. Okay, now Codespace is opened. So let's create a new file, board.file. That icon to create new file, yeah, just simply click on double tap and name the folder in small board.py. .py is the extension of Python. Okay, just click. Okay, so let's first install the extension. It automatically install. It automatically started installing. So let's open it. Just start writing the code. Don't take headache. It is the simple code. So from Pyrogram, I currently using Pyrogram. From Pyrogram, import client, import client, comma, space, filters. Okay, then enter. So now I am adding the API ID, API has, and both token. So just enter in capital. Okay, API ID. Okay, I will just copy paste in later. API has, okay, and both token. Okay, so for these of the blanks, we have to copy that from this. Just copy paste. Yes, that is both token. Okay, now I have to initiate the boat. Okay, so in small, okay, boat space dot space client bracket start. Okay, my bot. I will write my bot. Okay, so just enter comma API ID equal to API ID comma API has API has. First, I have to write in a small API ID to initiate the board equal to in capital to take from the above that I hard code in the code space board token board token. Okay. So now I initiated the board. Now I am putting the start handler that board dot on message. Okay, board on message. Let's start bracket start filters, then point command, and then again bracket start. In this bracket I have to put handler. So now I'm putting the command start. Okay, start. Okay, then dev start. Okay, so comma client message. So for that you have to write in capital. Okay, otherwise it will create error. Client message. Okay, just press enter. Message dot reply underscore text. So now that the text that will bot will give. So I'm writing hello. Hello, I am your testing. Okay. So this error occur usually due to this will be written small. Okay. Or 4 this will have to in bracket. Now it's correct. Okay, so my boat is complete. I have to just putting the run command, boat dot run. Okay, so now it's on terminal. Okay, this is terminal. In this terminal you put the code for you give the command to start your boat or install the module. Okay, so let's install the module first. pip install Pyrogram. Make sure you put the name in small letter and correct. Okay, and space is the again next module tgcrypto. Okay, just start installing. For start the boat, you have to file name, that is your boat.file. Boat.file. Okay, so session started, boat session started. Now go to your boat. Okay, so what my mera tera 14 boat. Okay, so just click on the boat, click on start. Yeah, just see. Hello, I'm your testing boss. When you start, press start. Yes. Now you created your own Telegram bot. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions or want to see more board building tutorials or more advanced features like force join channel, inline buttons, etc. So see you in the next video. Thank you.